Hello kids, welcome to the super fun Guess the Color game. Are you ready? Let's start the game. Don't forget to say your answers out loud. What is the color of apple? Blue, red, yellow. Guess it. Red. Yes, correct answer. What is the color of grass? Red, green, blue. Guess it. Green color. Correct answer. What is the color of banana? Yellow, purple, blue. Guess it. Yellow color. Good job. What is the color of clouds? Do you know? Pink, black, white. Guess it. White color. Yes, correct answer. What is the color of sun? Do you know, guys? Pink, yellow, gray. Tell me. Yellow color. Correct answer. What is the color of grapes? Do you know? Purple, orange, white. Guess it. Purple color. Yes, correct answer. What is the color of school bus? Do you know? Purple, red, or yellow? Yes, yellow color. Good job. What is the color of frog? Green, orange, pink. Tell me. Green color. Correct answer. Okay, what is the color of orange? It's too easy. Guess it. Purple, orange, pink. You get it. Yes, orange color. Correct answer. What is the color of water in sea? Purple, black, blue. Blue color. Yes, the water color in the sea is blue. What is the color of strawberry? Do you like strawberry? Guess it. Green, red, or blue? Red color. Yes, correct answer. What is the color of eggplant? I like eggplant. Do you like it? Yellow, purple, or blue? Guess it. Yes, purple color. Good job. What is the color of milk? Do you know? Red, purple, or white? White. Correct answer. What is the color of coal? Black, orange, or white? Guess it. Black color. Correct answer. What is the color of lemon? Green, yellow, red. Yellow. Good job. Correct answer. What is the color of sky? Purple, black, or blue? Guess it. Correct answer, blue. Blue is the color of sky. Okay, what is the color of flamingo? Oh, it's so cute. Pink, gray, or white? Correct answer, pink is the color of flamingo. What is the color of bear? Brown, red, or white? Guess it. Correct answer, brown is the color of bear. Brown. Okay, what is the color of panda? Black and white, red, or purple? Black and white. Correct answer. You guess it. Okay, what is the color of cherry blossom? Pink, red, or purple? Cherry blossom. Correct answer. Pink is the color of cherry blossom. Great job, kids. You did amazing. How many colors did you guess correctly? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you in the next video. Bye bye.